Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are well and doing good and doing great. God bless you all. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. I hope you all are watching this video with good health and good mood and good season and good weather as well. God bless you all. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are watching my video for the first time, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification of my latest videos that I share to my channel daily. Today, I am presenting beautiful chic winter bob haircut ideas with chin and chic-chin bob haircut ideas. These all haircuts are really amazing, gorgeous, outstanding, and mind blowing. For the Italian European girls, no doubt these all hairstyles are really amazing. These chick-chin hair length and hair bob haircut ideas are really amazing. These chicks bob are really outstanding that will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch them. This haircut will enhance the beauty of your personality and change your personality as well. So, ladies, don't waste the time. Just take a screenshot, or you can download the video as well and go to your hairdresser and get these hairstyles which you like from this video. And let me know also through comment section that which haircut you select for yourself from this video. These all haircuts are really amazing that after getting them, you don't need to style them for a long time. After getting these haircuts and hairstyles, you will be ready to go anywhere, anytime, like kitty parties, functions, get togethers, to weddings, to receptions, to public places, to colleges, to offices, to anywhere outdoor activity where you want to go. These all hairstyles are really amazing that going on trending these days and for the upcoming season of 2025. So guys, don't waste your time. Just pick up your favorite one. I hope you guys like the video. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section and also share your ideas that what kind of video you want to watch next. It will be my pleasure to make video for you guys according to your choice. I will be there in next video. Till then, take care yourself and again don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Have a great day.